Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video from Techjet. So now I'll be unboxing the Eco Auto. As you can see, the Alexa speaker made by Amazon for cars. And as you all know about Eco Alexa speakers. So let's unbox what's inside this. Okay, so it comes in a blue small packaging from Amazon, and we can see that there are various things inside the box. So let's go through them one by one. Okay, so now as you can see, I have taken everything out and this is the box. So I'll keep it aside, and there's something else also. So yeah, I've got this out here. Okay, so I've kept the box aside, and now let's see what's inside out here. So inside this, I think it was this one, and this is a car mount for putting the Alexa Eco Auto in it. Now let's look into what's here. So look into it. There are a few manuals and stuff, paperwork. I don't think anyone needs it. And just a manual about what all things are there inside and stuff like that. So this is just rough paperwork which is not needed. But firstly, we see a car charger made by Amazon right over here. You can see the Amazon logo right over here, and you can see that there is a car charger which has two USB ports over here. Now let's go more deep into this. Okay, now let's see what's over here. Over here we can see a USB cable with a micro USB cable right over here. So there's a micro USB cable presumably for giving power to the Alexa Eco Auto which came in this package. Okay, now let's keep them aside and let's see what's the second cable. So the second cable over here is a aux to aux cable, a 3.5mm to 3.5mm cable. So if your car does not have Bluetooth, you can use this cable for using Alexa in your car, because it depends on Bluetooth, and if you don't have Bluetooth in your car, you can use this aux cable for connecting it to your car. Now moving to this, and this is the Eco Auto, the thing. It's a very small device, but it has 8 microphones over here. I bought this from Amazon India, but you can buy it on any Amazon, and I'll link down all the descriptions below. And this is Alexa. So over here you can see two buttons right over here. So the first button we see over here is the button for muting. So the privacy mute button, which I've seen in all Alexa devices till now, and it comes in all Eco devices too. So we see that the first button is this, and the second is the activity button, which you see right over here, which is useful in this case for triggering Alexa if it does not wake up with the wake word, whichever it is, whatever you set it to as. So we can see that there are two buttons and 8 microphones on this package. So you can see that over here it's pretty simple. You have two ports on this side, one 3.5mm headphone jack, which I told, as aux cable if you don't have Bluetooth, and you can use the micro USB cable with the car charger which came included in the box for your car, and you can give power to this. Okay, now let's see what comes in the manual. So over here we see that in the manual they tell us about how we should first mount the Alexa Eco Auto with the car mount which is given, which is right over here. This is what came in, and then we see that they tell us how to attach it, and then you need to install the Alexa app given by Amazon, and then you can successfully use your Alexa and use your mobile data as the internet for your Wi-Fi. So let's see what has total came up in this box. We see the Alexa Eco Auto itself, then we see the car mount which has came over here, then we see the car charger and two cables, the first one being the aux cable and the second one being the cable for the micro USB cable for charging Amazon Alexa. So this was the unboxing of the Alexa Eco Auto. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video very soon. Bye.